Hi everyone, hope you all are doing good. This task is on PT writing summarized written text. This is the first task in writing section. I will be sharing 3 different strategies which helps to achieve either 50 or 65 or 79 plus. Let us see what this item type has, the scoring structure and strategies that I mentioned. Understand the task. Write a summary of single sentence. In this task, after reading the passage, write a single sentence with proper punctuations and a full stop at the end. Don't forget the full stop and don't write more than one sentence. If you do so, the score will be 0. In the exam, we will get either 2 or 3 questions with text up to 300 words. A maximum of 10 minutes will be given to respond. This looks more time, but sometimes it will be hard to write within this time limit. And we should maintain the word count between 5 to 75. But keep it between 50 to 60 as it is appropriate limit and we can avoid much spelling and grammar mistakes. Affects the scoring of reading and writing sections. This task contributes marks for reading and writing sections. Use cut copy paste buttons on the screen instead of keyboard shortcuts. You can do cut copy paste of your response, but don't use keyboard shortcuts because it is not working properly. Use the cut copy paste buttons available in the screen. This is how it appears in the exam. Read the passage below and summarize it using your own sentence. Type your response in the box at the bottom of the screen. You have 10 minutes to finish this task. Your response will be judged on the quality of your... Okay, here it is not mentioned about the word limit. However, the word count should be between 5 to 75 as I already mentioned. If you write lesser than 5 words or more than 75 words, your response will not be scored. And here you have to type your response. After responded, make sure that the punctuations are correct and it should be between only one sentence with a capital letter at the beginning and only one full stop at the end. These are the buttons that I mentioned. Don't use keyboard shortcuts. And here you can check the total word count while typing. Scoring structure. For both reading and writing sections, it carries around 10 marks. Your response for this task is evaluated based on the quality of your writing and on how well your response presents the key points in the passage. And the score is calculated by the below factors. Content is scored by identifying the main idea and its supporting key points of the passage, and it should not be irrelevant to the text. If it is not representing the topic or the purpose of the passage, your summary will be scored 0. Therefore, focus on the main idea and its supporting key points alone. Form should be one sentence with 5 to 75 word limit. As I already mentioned, if your summary contains lesser than 5 words or more than 75 words, you will not receive any score points. Grammar mistakes should be avoided. Grammar is scored by determining if the basic structure of the sentence is correct. Use the complex and compound sentences or linking words appropriately. Paraphrase the insignificant words, not the key points. Paraphrase only wherever required, like the non-keywords such as important to significant. I am very tired. It should be I am exhausted. Like this you can paraphrase. Don't paraphrase the key points because if it is not relevant to the passage, the score will be reduced. And use academic vocabulary for paraphrasing. Spelling is also very important. The words such as absolute, tomorrow, opportunity, these words look simple, but we may replace A with O or O with A, and this will be a blunder mistake. And PT will reduce much marks if we make either one or couple of mistakes like this. Therefore, be careful about spellings and double check your response. Now we will look on the strategies. For 50 plus and 65 plus, we can use this strategy. Sentence from passage 1 and sentence from passage 2, but sentence from passage 3. We should use either but or and based on the passage. Try to use complex and compound sentence to summarize the main point and its supporting details. And this is the strategy for 79 plus. In this template, we can use the main topic here and the key points in between. Here which indicates this is what the complex sentence is. This key point may be in the second sentence. To join this with the first sentence, we can use which clause. And furthermore is a compound sentence to combine the sentences. You can use moreover, in addition, however, or besides, which helps to link the sentences to a single sentence. So you can use these two strategies to get your desired score. But I can't guarantee you to score 90 marks. But for 79 plus, this will do. And make sure that other tasks such as write from dictation, reading drop down, filling the blanks should be perfectly correct. If you do one or couple of mistakes in those tasks, your score may go down to 78 or 77. Also, in order to stick to below 75 words, we may not be able to capture more key points to fit with the template. Moreover, if you use key points, make sure that the phrases should be 4 or 5 words and not more than that. And also, if you write a perfect sentence without key points, again the score will be 0. As a result, capturing key points from the text is very important. So keeping all these in mind, you can use the template. However, if we follow the method, we can capture all or most of the key points. Let's look at a couple of examples with all these strategies. Okay, we will start with strategy 1. This is a small text. So grab first, middle and last sentence from the passage. Like this. So this is the first sentence and this can be the middle sentence. But if you are confused with which one to pick between these two sentences, read them and pick the important one. 15 years later, 31-year-old Pascalina's life and outlook are very different. This doesn't look much important. Here if you see, she has built a previously undreamt of career in tourism and is the first black Namibian to be appointed the manager of a guest lodge. Here she has built a career which is more important than the above one. So pick this one. And finally the last sentence. The future is better with wildlife around, not only for jobs but also for the environment. So we can combine the selected sentences using the compound sentence like this. So we are using and to combine the first sentence and second sentence, and again using and to combine the last sentence. And we got 61 words, which is totally fine. Now we will see the strategy 2 to score 79 plus. First, type the template quickly in this box. But now I am going to paste the template. Now how to identify the main idea? Mostly the main idea will be present in the first sentence and rarely in the second sentence. It will clearly show you what the passage is about. Don't try to understand the entire text, but up to some extent will do. And then grab the key points whatever is connected with the main idea and ignore the other details. Now I am going to identify the main idea. When Namibia gained independence in 1990, teenager Pascalina Flory was herding goats in the country's dry, desolate northern savanna. Her job, unpaid and dangerous, was to protect her. Okay, so based on this we can understand it's about the job of Pascalina. So mention that here. Her job, unpaid and dangerous, was to protect her parents' livestock from preying jackals and leopards. Now here is the most important point. We found the topic and for supporting points we need to grab only what she is doing, for what purpose she is doing. Just ignore the details like where, when and how and what others suggested about the main idea. So here we can mention she was herding goats protect her parents' livestock. Whose is not required. Just mention protect livestock from preying jackals and leopards are not required. Here we can mention how she saw the wildlife and saw wildlife as enemy. And many of the other indigenous habitants of Namibia's rural communal lands shared her view. This is not required. Wildlife poaching was commonplace. This detail is also not required. 15 years later, 31-year-old Pascalina's life and outlook are very different. This is also some irrelevant detail. She has built a previously undreamt career in tourism. So here it is mentioned what she has done. So mention this. Career in tourism. And is the first black Namibian to be appointed the manager of a guest lodge. This is also not required. Her village and hundreds of others have directly benefited from the government. So her village is benefited by her. So mention this one. Benefits of village from government efforts is not required. To devolve wildlife management and tourism development. This is also the key point. So if you feel that you can capture more keywords, you can include them. On communal lands, where it is done is not required. To conservancies run by indigenous people is not required. Now we see the wildlife as our way of creating jobs and opportunities as the tourism industry grows. So this is because she has built the career in tourism. So creating jobs and opportunities is also the keyword. The future is better with wildlife around, not only for jobs but also for the environment. So mention the environment also. Here if you see the key phrase, in the first line I have mentioned as she was herding goats, protect livestock, and she saw wildlife as enemy. Here I have mentioned about what she is doing, but here it is about something about her life, about career. Here I am not talking about what someone is doing. Don't include these keywords here. So you should not mix the keywords as unique aspects of career in tourism, she was herding goats, benefits of village. It will be totally wrong. And it will be grammatical mistake and the score will be reduced. Also another important point is it was happened in 1990, past tense. So everything about her life should be past tense. So this should be protected livestock. And here if the sentence is followed by the previous sentence, use moreover. If it is opposing the previous sentence, then use however. Here because of wildlife and tourism development, jobs and opportunities were created. This is supporting point. So use moreover. If it is spoiled by wildlife, then mention however. For example, wildlife destroyed the entire city. However, the jobs and opportunities are created. So this is how you should use the linking words appropriately. Use as many keywords as possible and stick to the word limit. So here we got 60 words, which is more than enough. This is actually small text. Therefore, with this template we can capture more keywords. Suppose if the passage is lengthy, we will not be able to capture many key phrases. That's why I mentioned that we can get 79 plus but not sure about 90. We will see that as well in the lengthy passage. Now let's look at the method for this text. Since we have already read this, I will be going little faster. When Namibia gained independence in 1990, Pascagoula was herding goats. The country's dry, desolate North Savannah is not required. Her job, unpaid and dangerous. About job is not required, was to protect. Her parents' livestock, her parents is not required, was to protect livestock will do. From preying jackals, this is not required. And she saw wildlife as the enemy. So what she is thinking about is required. And many other indigenous habitants shared her view is not required. Wildlife poaching was commonplace, this is some detail. 15 years later, 31-year-old Pascalina's life and outlook are very different. This is also not required. She has built a previously undreamt of career in tourism. So what she has done is required. 15 years later, she has built a career in tourism and is the first black Namibian to be appointed the manager of a guest lodge is not required. Her village and hundreds of others have directly benefited because she has built something. So this is required. From government efforts is not required. To devolve wildlife management and tourism development. So what purpose she has built a career? This is required. On communal lands, where it's not required. To conservancies run by indigenous people. Who has run this is not required. Now we see the wildlife as our way of creating jobs and opportunities as the tourism industry grows. This talks about her job. So this is required. Wildlife creating jobs and opportunities. The future is better with wildlife around, not only for jobs but also for environment. So because of this, the future is better. So include this one as well. So this is how I have framed the sentence. When Namibia gained independence in 1990, Pascagoula Fleury was herding goats, protected livestock. Everything should be past tense and saw wildlife as the enemy. However, 15 years later. So here I am using however instead of moreover because she has built a career in wildlife, but she saw this as enemy. Even though this is negative point, she has done something positive. Therefore mention however instead of moreover. Here which benefited her and her village. This is a complex sentence as I am using a which clause. To devolve wildlife management and tourism development. Furthermore, wildlife created jobs and opportunities through tourism. Because of tourism, jobs and opportunities are created. This is supporting the previous sentence. So use furthermore or moreover. Here you can paraphrase the words such as protected, to guarded or something else. Saw as considered wildlife as the enemy. Devolve as transfer, to transfer wildlife management and tourism development. So wherever possible use the synonyms, but don't paraphrase the entire key points. The words such as livestock, tourism, wildlife, keep these words as it is. But try to use the academic vocabulary such as ameliorate instead of better, but use only if you are confident, otherwise keep it as it is. So using this method we got 55 words. Okay, but this may not be the perfect sentence. Remember that for summarized written text, the answer is not fixed one. Each one of us will write different answers. Even if you ask me to write a week later, I will frame different answer for the same text. As long as you write proper spelling, grammar, main idea and few key points, that is more than enough. Let's see how to respond for lengthy text. This has 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 paragraphs. But for strategy 1 we just need 3 sentences. But it's fine to pick even 4 sentences also. First line from this paragraph and this one from this paragraph, and here which one to select. Here the topic is about to reduce crime rates and educate students. So this is about educating something. Here if you see the use of fake ID among older students is among the issues he has already discussed with principals. This is some detail, so this is not required. But here if you see, it is a good thing and an innovative idea and some positive benefits. This is supporting educating something. So we can pick this one. And different communities will respond to this kind of presence in different ways. And this is about response of people for educating something. Here we can use and to combine these two sentences. Again and here as well to combine these two sentences. And this one, different communities will respond to this kind of presence in different ways. Here it talks about good thing, innovative idea and positive benefits. But here this is contradicting the previous sentence. So we should use but instead of and. And here we are getting 63 words. Okay, we will see the second strategy. Similar to the previous example, type the template first. Find the main idea from the first line. Armed police have been brought into NSW schools to reduce crime rates and educate students. Okay, this is to teach students on how to reduce crime rates. Mention this in the main topic. The 40 school liaison police officers have been allocated to public and private schools across the state. Allocated to public and private schools. So this is also similar to the first sentence. Here it is brought into NSW schools and here it is allocated to public and private schools. Both are same. Organizers say the officers who began work last week will build positive relations between police and students. Again, focus on what they are going to teach and what the students are going to learn. And ignore the rest of the details. So it is about educating students. So it will build positive relationships. We can include this as key point 1. We can ignore between police and students. But parent groups warned of potential dangers of armed police working at schools in communities where police relations were already under strain. Try to connect this sentence with main idea. This is some extra detail compared to educating students, so ignore this. Among their duties, the SPLs will conduct crime prevention workshops, talking to students about issues including shoplifting, offensive barrier, graffiti and drugs and alcohol. So they are conducting these things to educate students. So we can include these things. Talking to students about issues. Talking about issues will do. What type of issues are not required? They can also advise school principals. It's about educating students. So this is irrelevant detail. One SPL constable Ben Purvis began to work in the inner Sydney region last week, including at Alexandria Park. This is also not required because this is unnecessary detail. Previously stationed as a crime prevention officer at the Rocks, he now has 27 schools. It's about this officer, so this is also not required. We just need what students are getting educated. Constable Purvis said the full-time position would see him working on the broader issues of crime prevention. This is some extra detail. I am not a security guard, he said. I am not there to patrol the school. We want to improve relationships between police and school children. Already we have mentioned about positive relationships, so we can ignore this one. To have a positive interaction, so we can include this one. We are coming to the school and giving them the knowledge to improve their own safety. To improve their own safety is the key point. Include this one. The use of fake ID among older students is among the issues he has already discussed with principals. This is also irrelevant to educating, so ignore this one. Parents groups responded to the program positively. This is partially supporting the topic, so we can either include or ignore them. It is a good thing and an innovative idea, and there could be some positive benefits. So these are all benefits of educating students, so we can include them. So we can take innovative idea and positive benefits. So here I am getting less than 9 keywords. So we can alter this template based on the keywords available. Innovative idea and positive benefits. Now review it and correct the grammar. The text provides the information about reducing crime rates and educate students, which indicates that it will build positive relationships. Conduct crime prevention workshops and talking about issues are fundamental elements. Furthermore, the unique aspects of, so here next to of we should not use to have, so change it to having. The unique aspects of having a positive interaction as well as to improve their own safety. Here already you are using the present continuous tense, so use the same here as well. Improving. Their own safety were delineated. Here this sentence is supporting the previous sentence, so we can use furthermore. Again here also the significance of innovative idea and positive benefits. So here we have to use moreover. Really could not be overestimated. So we got 63 words now. Here I grabbed only few key points. For that itself we are getting 63 words. We didn't capture 100% key points, but this will do. We will also see the other strategy quickly. So as we already read, I am going to highlight the main idea. Armed police have been brought into NSW schools to reduce crime rates and educate students. In the second sentence, if you see, the same has been mentioned. The police officers have been allocated to public and private high schools across the state. Here it is mentioned as NSW schools, but here it is public and private high schools. So instead of NSW schools, we can use public and private schools like this. Organizers say the officers who began work last week will build positive relations between police and students. Positive relations is the key point, but parents groups, we have already seen this is not important. Among their duties, the SLPs will conduct crime prevention workshops, talking to students about issues. These two are required. What type of issues are not required? They can also advise school principals. This is some extra detail. One SLP constable, here we have already seen that this is about this constable. So we can ignore these sentences. I am directly jumping into this sentence. We want to improve relationships between police and school children. Positive relationships we have already mentioned, so this is not required. To have a positive interaction is required. We are coming to the school and giving them the knowledge to improve their own safety. Improve their own safety is required. The use of fake ID among older students is among the issues he has already discussed with the principals. These discussions are not required. Parents groups responded to the program positively. Okay, as I already mentioned, this is partially supporting the main idea. Parents responded to the program positively. So we can grab this one. It is a good thing and an innovative idea, and there could be some positive benefits. So educating students is positive benefits. So we can take this one. And finally, different communities will respond to this kind of presence in different ways. So how other people have responded? This is also partially supported. So we can either ignore or include it. I am going to pick this one. Now make the grammatical corrections. Armed police have been brought to public and private schools to reduce crime rates and educate students by building positive relationships, conducting crime prevention workshops, talking about issues, having a positive interaction, and improving their own safety. Furthermore, parents groups responded positively, and there could be some positive benefits. However, different communities will respond in different ways. This is how we have to respond. Here this sentence is opposing the previous sentence, so use however. Finally, use the vocabulary wherever is possible. We can use diminish instead of reduce, and here instead of improving we can use developing, but leave it as it is if you are not sure about the vocabulary. Now without the template we are getting 57 words, so we are able to capture almost all key points within the word limit. But make sure you are not making any grammar mistakes, spelling, and use proper synonyms. Also, we may think that we have more time, but sometimes 10 minutes is not enough. So use the strategies and start typing after reading each sentence. Don't waste time for reading the entire passage, because for reading the paragraph itself it will take around 2 minutes. But if you type along with that, you can manage the time and have sufficient time for reviewing. Don't even make a single mistake in grammar and spelling, as it will affect the score drastically. Sometimes we may feel that we did all correct, but unknowingly we may do mistakes. Therefore, double check your response word by word and make sure everything is perfect. Take around 2 minutes only for reviewing. Also use the correct punctuations. Starting letter should be capital, one full stop at the end, and most importantly only one sentence, as I did it here. That's all about summarized written text. Hope this video gives some useful tips. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.